Who should people be listening to, Nassim? The
Okay.
coronavirus maximalists, like Andrew Cuomo, or the coronavirus minimalists, a camp that occasionally includes the president, Donald Trump?
But I don't understand this false dichotomy. Separating the economy from the virus is extremely foolish because it's not like you have two different parallel universes. Having something spread like this is very damaging to the economy. And to give you a simple thing, had we spent the money or probably taken a hit or transferred the risk to the airlines who would have taken a hit in January, we wouldn't be here today. The problem we have today is too much connectivity. They did not want to spend pennies in January. Now they're going to spend trillions. So, and if you delay more, you're going to spend even more. We don't know much about this disease. This is not a regular, it's not the flu, okay? It's much more untractable. We don't know enough about it. Therefore, it should be extra cautious.
So on the one hand,
this trade-off is a fake trade-off.
it's a fake trade-off. So
Yes.
delaying is something that was done, and in many cases is no longer being done. In this state, for example, New York State, there's no delay. There's a lot of social distancing being enforced, and obviously much of the economy is shut down here and across the country. What about sending people back to work as fast as possible?
I don't think it makes sense to send people back to work. I think even if the president can say whatever they want, it'd be irresponsible on the part of employers to have people in the office, in the elevators. The World Health Organization has been way behind, way behind. They didn't realize that face masks would be a good idea until recently, after 2.5 months of wasting time telling people not to wear masks. So I don't think the government, the central government, has much to say here, except perhaps for their employees.